Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome back to my lecture. Today I would like to conduct the class on English second paper. You know that our topic is special uses of words and phrases. Special uses of words and phrases. Dear students, you know, among the 12 segments is the simplest one. But before doing the lecture, you need to know first of all the words mentioned in the box. The words mentioned in the box. First of all, you have to know the meaning of the words. Then you will be able to use properly the script. So now we are going to we are going to know the words mentioned in the box. The first one is given was born. You know was born. What is the meaning of the word was born? The next one is what if. The word what if indicates what if, and the next one is as if. So before using the words, first of all you need to know the symptom in the sentence. The sentence, whenever mentioned in the sentence any year, you can use the word was born. It may be here the clues in any year, or you know the mention of the family, then you can use the word was born. I repeat it, whenever it is indicated any sentence about any year or family, you can use the word was born. And whatever, when you use what if, you know, whenever it is indicated in any sentence, at the end of the sentence you see note of interrogation, you can use what if. And as if, as you find in any sentence the symptom where, you know, we can use was after the subject I or he, but in such type of sentence you will see where. I mean, after I we can use was, but in the sentence you will find where after I or he, because in such type of sentence it indicates imaginative something. Whenever you find imaginative something in any sentence, you can use the word as if. Then let alone. Let alone, you can use or you can treat the word let alone just according to the meaning of the sentence. And also have to. The students, you know, the word have to is obligatory something. Whenever you see obligatory something in the sentence, you can use the word have to, has to, and had to. Just here mentioned have to. That should be according to the subject of the sentence. You know better this. And would rather. When you will use would rather in the sentence. Here the symptom is that whenever you find or you see then THAN, then in any sentence, you can use would rather in the sentence. After that, as soon as, you know, as soon as indicates after finishing the work, it will start as soon as the another work. As soon as, what are the symptoms? Whenever you see the two sentences given in the past tense, you can use as soon as. And then there you can use the, or you can treat the word there just as an introductory there, and also it had better. You know, after had better, you will find in the sentence base form of the verb. That means after the blank you will see the base form of the verb. When you will find the base form of the verb in that sentence, you can use had better. So let's get started. We dash pay a visit to Cox's Bazar than Sundarban. Dear students, in this sentence we see a symptom, that is then, that I told you before, that whenever you see the symptom then in any sentence, we can use from the box the word would rather. So we can write down would rather here. Would rather. Would rather. We would rather pay a visit to Cox's Bazar than Sundarbans. So here prefers Cox's Bazar than Sundarbans. So here Cox's Bazar is preferred by the speaker, so we can use would rather in such type of sentence. The symptom is that it will be given then in the sentence. Whenever you see then in the sentence or the work is compared with the other, then you can use would rather. Number B, the storm was ravaging violently. That means the storm was destroying violently. You know, we got out dash, it abated. The students, in this sentence, what is the symptom? To use the words from the box, we can see here that the two sentences is given as a past tense. The first one is given as a past tense and the second one is given as a past tense. Whenever we find two sentences given in the past tense or mentioned in the past tense, we can use the word as soon as. So we can use here as soon as. As soon as. The next one is given, the man talks dash he were met. That I told you before, that when you find when you see the where, that means we know, you know that after the subject he, in grammar according to the grammar it should be was. He was, but here is given he were. As you see, he were after the subject like I, he, so we can say that it's an unnatural subject or imaginative something. So you can use from the box the word as if. As if. Number D, my college is far away from our house. I dash walk a long way to go to my college. Dear students, you know, after the blank is given the B1. When you see B1 in any sentence, you can use the word from the box like have to or would rather or any modal auxiliary or had better. But whenever you see obligatory something in the sentence, then you should use the word from the box like have to, has to, had to. Here is mentioned, you know, have to. So we can use have to. As another thing you can think about that, the subject is given here I, so I have to, I have. So you can use have to here. Number E, he dashed in 1903 in a village named Shibpur. Dear students, you know that whenever you see or find in any year in the sentence or family, we can use the word was born. You know, here is mentioned was born and you can treat the word from here as it is mentioned year 1903. So you can use the word or treat the word from here was born. So we can write down was born. He was born in 1903 in a village named Shibpur. Okay, dear students, the next sentence, number F, dash is very hot today. You should not go out to work. So you see that here is bunk, the place, subject. So as a subject or introductory here and there, you know, we can use from here as it is blank the subject. So we can write down it. It is very hot today. You should not go out to work. Number G, Maruf cannot earn 50 marks dash 80 marks. The students, you know that whenever it is mentioned he cannot walk 10 miles, let alone he cannot walk 1 mile, let alone 10 miles, or he can't write down one or two papers, let alone 20 papers, or he can't marry 10, he can't marry 1, let alone 10. In such a way, whenever it is compared with another, you can use the word from here, let alone. So we can write down let alone, let alone. H dash are many mangoes. You know, introductory there we can use write down here, there are many mangoes around our house. You know, introductory it or there we can use whenever it is blank at the beginning of the sentence, or it may be the place of noun. So you can use here there or it. Fire seems to be weak. He dash consult an experienced doctor. You know, consult is given here B1. So we can write down from the box had better. The students, that I just told before that as you see the base form of the verb after the blank, then we can select or treat the word from the box had better. You know, after had better always it would be base form of the verb. It is base form of the verb. So had better, he had better consult an experienced doctor. The last one is given, the river is calm dash we swim in the river. You know that whenever you see the at the end of the sentence note of interrogation or the blank at the beginning of the sentence, so we can use the word from the box what if. What if, the word, you should bear in mind that the word what if indicates the purpose here, purpose, or the symptom here, that when you see at the end of the sentence the note of interrogation or the at the beginning of the sentence the blank, so you can use what if. So we can write down here what if. This is the end of the topic, dear students. In such a way you have to analyze critically and carefully, and you can use whenever you know each and every rule, or you study critically and carefully. No more today. Thank you all. Thank you very much.